Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about HubStaff, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your timesheet in HubStaff? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to download your timesheet in HubStaff anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, or maybe you're a freelancer, you know that sometimes you have to submit your timesheets to your team leader, maybe to your client, maybe to your boss. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubStaff account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubStaff account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download one of your timesheets, all you're going to do is here on the left side, click on timesheets. Once you do that, it's going to show all of your billable time in HubStaff right down here. Now, in order to download a timesheet, first you need to choose the date range. So if you want to do it by week, you can click right here. If you want to do it daily, you can click here. Also, if you want to adjust the date to a specific period, so maybe within the past 5 days or 10 days, you can click right here on the calendar and then adjust it right here. So once you have the correct dates and you want to download your timesheet, you want to click over here on the top right, filters, because if you're working on different projects with different customers, you don't want to send the wrong timesheet to the wrong customer. So click on filters, and now you can go ahead and sort your timesheet by projects right here. So we'll click right here. Okay. And then if you need to sort by time type, so if it was automatically tracked or if you manually added time here, if you need to show the source of the time, you can click right here for desktop, mobile, browser, web timer. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and click out, and you can see they have a filter right here. So now in order to download your timesheet, what you're going to do is click right here on this little download button. Next, you want to choose, do you want to download via PDF or CSV? This is really going to depend on your client or your boss, how they want you to send the timesheet over to them. Either way, it's going to download onto your computer, and then you can easily just send it right on over. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your timesheet in HubStaff, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.